everyone, hope everyone's well at this time. I wanted to share these DIY wipes from things that I already have at home, but I do want to stress how important it is to wash your hands with soap and water, which is 100 times better than these wipes. But these wipes can be used if hand washing isn't available, however, I'd still advise to wash after as soon as you can. So let's get started. I found some coconut oil, which is a great natural moisturizer. I also have aloe vera, which has a lot of antioxidants and great for dry skin. Because the essential oils have no evidence yet which prevents against the current virus we have right now, we'll use this for fragrance purposes only. Lastly, I found some 95% ethanol rubbing alcohol. The Center of Disease Control and Prevention recommends that sanitizers should have at least 60% ethanol or 70% isopropanol. Because we're adding other things, our alcohol will be diluted, so be sure the total alcohol content will be at least 60% to 70%. So depending on what alcohol percent you have, you may have to adjust your measurements. And I found a great calculation from another video explained by a biomedical engineer. I'll put her link down below. And with this calculation, you can adjust your measurement and ingredients. So if I want these wipes to have at least 70% alcohol, I'm gonna have to make my mixture 74% of the ethanol alcohol that we have. So if I'm doing 1 cup, I'm just gonna pour in 3/4 of that alcohol. I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera and 1/2 tablespoon of coconut oil. And finally, just 5 droplets of eucalyptus just for a little bit of fragrance. I'm just taking a wooden chopstick and I'm gonna stir that really well. Next, we're gonna take our paper towels and you can fold that down to whatever size you want, depending on the container that you have, obviously. You wanna put them in something that has a lid because the alcohol can also evaporate really fast, or you can simply keep them in the Ziploc bag that we're gonna be putting them in right now. And the last thing is to basically pour your mixture in there and make sure that the napkins soak up all of the liquid. I have 10 pieces of folded paper towel in the Ziploc bag right now, but I'm pretty sure I could have added a little bit more. I had bought these baby wipe containers for travel before, but I never ended up using them. Well, now you can't really travel, but I did go ahead and customize them just to give it a nice fresh look. So I made these vinyl stickers with my Cricut machine, which I love to death. But anyways, that's all there is to it, to this DIY. I definitely do a patch test to see how this will all react with your skin, since the alcohol content is really high, and I probably won't recommend this for children. Please remember to practice some safe distancing from others. Wash your hands always thoroughly, and if your hands are super dry from all that washing, you can check out my other videos for my Lush DIY moisturizers. Be safe, stay home, and I'll definitely see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and see y'all next time. Bye.